Hi, I got lots of stuff to show you. I have been collecting some thrift finds, and in here is a bunch of patterns. Some have been thrifted and some majority are brand new actually. And in this pile is something that I found at the thrift store that just it was one of those things you're like, oh my god, I can't believe that's there. I was really shook by it. My son was like, oh my god, mum. But yeah, so I'll show you the shocking thrift find when I get to it. But first off, look at this. This is like the unicorn of bed sheets. It's so cool. It's a double. It was $4. I was like so happy when I found this. Look at it, so pretty. I was actually thinking I might store it here on my shelf, just like maybe here, just so I can look at it until I figure out what to do. But anyway, let's have a look at the patterns first, because it's been so long since I bought these. And I actually had this little suitcase that I got, and I thought I could keep them in here because look, how cool is that? Like, it's full of patterns. So let's see if I can turn that around to put it on. So let's go through. There was a lot of sales going on with patterns because of the big four pattern companies going on. Well, kind of going bust. I don't know what's the word for it. Anyway, so I bought a whole stack, and I think I accidentally bought one pattern twice, but shh, I won't tell anyone. All right, so I tried to buy boring patterns that I would use because I wear boring clothes. So I thought this was cute. It's a good classic shirt. Let's see, what else is this one? This was a shirt and short combo. It's got both there. That's classic. I was trying to also buy stuff that I've got material for, and I thought, like, if I go out for dinner or something like that, that's pretty cool. I like the jacket and the trousers together. I don't have anything like that in my wardrobe. I like the trousers on that. I'm not really a short wearer, but I like the trousers. I thought if I might start packing them up in here, getting a bit crowded. I thought I might actually I'll put that one over here for me and put the kids ones over there. Try lots of trouser patterns and then find a perfect one. I got this one for the kids, so both of them. I thought that's cool. So it's either a jacket or it's a from a pattern. It looks like a jacket or like a jumper. But yeah, I thought that would be good for the kids. I liked the short jacket here. I thought that would look good with a dress. Another trouser pattern. I'm not a fan of the buttons, but I like the zip version. If you can hear something in the background, that's the budgie deciding to contribute. I love this skirt. I used to wear a skirt like that all the time, but it busted. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make that one, definitely. Bags. I mean, when the pattern's $2, I'm gonna try the bags. I thought that was cool. I might put that in the kid pile. Oh, this is a vintage find. Now, I have no plans to make this. I got this from an op shop. It's a Kermit the Frog costume. Like I have absolutely no plan to make it. It hasn't been used at all. It was just, oh, that's so cool. I'm never going to wear it, but I just thought that was just so cool. That was just one of those things that's kind of like, yeah, I'm not leaving that behind. Like, would you, if you've seen that in the op shop, would you have built that too? Like for $1 or something? Also got this from the op shop. We were going to go to a Ren fair, but our very first Ren fair, but the tickets just sold out straight away. So when I saw that, I thought my daughter might like the costume for that, but we never got to make it because the Ren fair tickets sold out. And this is another one from the op shop. I think I liked the jacket for my son there, but never been used. But yeah, like one day when we do go to Ren fair, we'll do it. Look, I'm halfway through the box. Okay, I thought this was cool, like a nice casual thing for the weekend. Yeah, I've got at all this sewing. Yeah, I probably got all the fabric for this, but you know, I'll probably end up buying it. I thought this was either for my daughter. That was pretty cool. I like the what's that? The drawstring at the bottom. I like that jacket for myself. The budgie's trying to lean around the corner and see. I got this for my son. That was pretty cool. That's a bit better. See the graphics. So my son is almost 16. My daughter's almost 13. How did I get this one for? Oh, this is for me. This is just like normal casual wear. Good for summer. I know I've got some fabric for that. Yep, this is for my son. It's actually got 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's got heaps of variations on it. Like, so yeah, I thought like this is growing older and stuff. Yeah, I like it. He doesn't really like the clothes we get at the hardware store, at the shops that are closest to us. So that's pretty cool. I like the jacket and the trousers for that. Definitely for my son, that one. I have a feeling this is the one I bought twice. I don't know. That was for me. Oh, these are just boring clothes that, you know, you tend to just buy. I thought just for summer, maybe. I don't know. I loved the jacket in this. And it's got some nice looking trousers. Like the waist of the trousers seems really nice. My piles are getting big. These are like jeans for me. I bought all these patterns and they weren't that much. This was for the Red Fair. My son loves the idea of these. So put that in my kids pile, I think. This is for the kids, for both of them. And look at some nice trousers there. This is for me, I think, or my daughter. I don't know. I just look at those pockets. Just absolutely in love with that. Probably wear for my daughter. She wears long skirts and long dresses. This shoulder dragon. Been looking for this pattern for a while actually. Paid $2 for it, brand new. Look how cool that is. Put that in the kid pile, I think. Yep, this is for my son. How cool if I made some hats for him. I see if I can get I'm sure I've got some like fabric around for it. What does it take? It takes like, wouldn't it take like woolen fabrics, wool bands, tweed. I swear I've got some fabrics around for that. What's this one? Oh yeah, I got this for my daughter as a sort of nice sort of classic wear. And yeah, here's the second pattern that I accidentally bought. Oh well. Oh, and what else is there? One more at the very bottom. I bought a magazine to read in the car because it had a pattern with it. And the pattern is, oh, there's two. There's a bag and the dress. I'm not sure if that's a me dress, maybe my daughter. I don't know. But that was cool. I mainly bought that because it had patterns in it. But that's all the patterns. That's now empty. So that was a good lot of patterns. Okay, so back to the thrifted stuff. Let's go to the thrifted part. This one was also pretty. Look at that. So this was $3. I mean, it's a lot of material for $3, right? What else? Oh, this one was pretty. I hadn't seen that one before, and that was also $3. Look at this linen. Look at this bed. It's a bed sheet, but it's linen. It's Morgan and Finch. Where's the tag? I did say what it was, but it's linen. But it was $10. But that's like a dress. Can't afford to buy that. Fabric, just you know, back and buy it as a sheet. Check this out. I love tablecloths because I don't actually do anything with them except use them as tablecloths, which the budgie, you know, then got the birdcage sits on. But that's so cute. Love tablecloths. Bought another one. Here's another one. This one's all hand stitched. Look at the stitching on that. And there's the back of the stitching. Just gingham, but doesn't that look pretty? I like it. Oh, and I got another one. Oh, I bought this one mainly because let's have a look. I've got so many tablecloths now, but honestly I do actually just use them as tablecloths. It's got ducks, geese on it, ducks, geese, and right in the middle is tiny little, yeah, the ducks on it. Super cute. This was pillowcases. So this is a $2 quilted pillowcase. I'm sure I could turn it into like a nice pouch. And I got 2, so that was $4 worth of pillowcases. Now, onto the thing, that was just, we were going around the op shop. We weren't feeling the best. There was something going on, and we just sort of stopped, and we're like, I said, like, Joe, like, oh my God, look at that. And he's like, oh, Mum. Oh, Mum. So we bought it, and it's like, I get people, you know, donate this stuff. That's fine. It's fine. Absolutely fine. It's just in that moment of time, it was just, why? So, backstory. I've got 2 kids. They went to primary school, of course. And in particular, in this primary school, my son, when he was in prep. So, you know, guys, they start school at age of 5, they do kindergarten, then they do prep, and then they do grade 1. So in prep, he absolutely adored his teacher. He's like, one day in winter, he's like, oh, Mum, I think she's cold. She does all the recess duty and lunch duty, and she hasn't got a hat. So he put out all this yarn, and I knitted her a hat, which I now wonder, does she still have? And then we made her this at the end of the year. And then she had a baby. My daughter had her. So I knitted her a blanket for the baby. But and then, so of course, my daughter finished primary school last year. So this year, obviously, in the school holidays, the teacher must have gone through her pile of presents and was like, oh no, the kids aren't at the school anymore. I can donate the stuff that has been given me. And I get it. I totally get it. I absolutely get it. Like, it's fine. It's fine. And I'm glad, like, you know, rather than just throwing it in the bin, like, you know, it's great. But like, it's just in that point in time, you've been like questioning life choices, and then you go and you see that and you're like, why? It still makes me go. So I had to buy it. So I thought it was really cool. My son thought it was really cool, which is fine because we were making it. And I get that when you make something for someone, the gift is in the giving. If they don't like it, that's fine. You can then do whatever you want with it. And they chose to donate it, which is fine. I'm not saying it's not fine, all right? It's just... So I made this little toiletry bag, cosmetic bag, makeup bag, lunch bag, whatever you want to call it. It was $3. It's never been used at all. It's still in the perfect condition that I gifted it in. So let me put something in it to show you the shape. Like, I just thought it was really cool when I made it, and my son was like, we chose the colors really carefully that he thought his teacher would like. Boy, we must have been wrong with that. It's like, it's totally cool. It's just, it's so, you know, like, so painful. It's funny, but it's not like, it's fine. We want people to, if they don't, trying to get shape. We want people to donate things if they don't want them, right? Because you make something for someone, and the gift is in the making, the gift is in the giving, and they're polite about it, and they love it because it's a gift. And then at the end of the day, it's in their house, it's their property, whatever. But this is what it'll look like. So like, it's never been used, it's never been washed. There's a cute little pocket here. I just love it. It's just so cute. But it makes me feel a little bit, so I don't know what to do with it. Like, if you would love it and you're in Australia, I'll post it to you. Let's like post it in the comments below that you love it. But or in Instagram maybe, because I don't, yeah, either way. So it looks like that. It's like perfect for a little lunch. It's perfect for your makeup. It's perfect for your knitting project. Like if you knit socks, it's perfect as a little bag. It's got a little tiny little pocket. I just thought it's cute. I still think it's cute, but I'm not going to use it. I had to buy it back for $3. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got like a cute little pocket with my tag on it. Because when I first saw it, I went, oh, that looks like the bag I made. And then it's got my tag on it. Oh my God, please tell me if this has ever happened to you, that you've made something for someone and the gift is in the giving, because you know that when you make something, the gift is in the giving. And then one day you find it at the op shop or the thrift store. I mean, okay, I get it. It's fine. I'm totally fine with it. I just don't. I'm glad that they gave it out so someone else could enjoy it. And I hope maybe if you like that, please let me know and I will forward it on to you. And then maybe you can enjoy it and you might give this cute little lunch bag or whatever bag to carry your toys or whatever. But that's the thing that, and it was like $3 a price tag still on there. And my budgie's contributing, which is great. But yeah, that's the shocking find. Like, so yeah, that's it. That's what I've got. That's my thrifting pile, my pattern pile, and I can't believe I found a pile. But that's cool. It was just one. I mean, that's the first time that's ever happened to me. But that's all right. That's all right. I mean, I get gifts all the time that I'm like. Yeah, thanks. When someone gave me all these coffee cups, which is nice, you know, it's this little gift box, nice whole bunch set of coffee cups with the word coffee written all over them. Coffee. So like you know, it says coffee all the way around, which is nice. But I don't drink coffee. Like that's lovely. Thank you so much. And then I donated them to something else. Someone was moving house and they needed something to set up the house with, so they were very grateful for them because I did actually drink coffee, so they ended up getting to a nice home. But I get it. It's just, I mean, you can feel my pain, can't you? Or am I just like being a bit too? But that's cool. Anyway, that's me. That's done. I've done now. I now have to go find homes for everything. Let me know if you want a home. Oh, it's upside down. Let me know if you want a home for this. And I'm going to have to figure out the patterns, which one to make first, matched up with the fabric. But thanks for sticking with me so far. And please let me know if this has ever happened to you. I need to know these things. I need to know I'm not alone in the world. All right. Thanks for staying with me. Bye.